Hello, this is Lolly. I am back with my Flip Junk Journal Part 9. After the last one, I had gone ahead and take out this first signature, cut all the wax linen cord, and flip these around facing the right way, and I'm a happy camper. Okay, so now we have all of these. I have sealed with a kiss here. If I can find the S, I got whack. Okay, we will find that S somewhere and we will put that in there. This is always a good thing for you to see what you've got, like love is in here, and I may have used the heart. This is one heart I could use. There's the heart that's supposed to go with it. O-V. So there's the L, so I could put love somewhere. I just had that S, so I think I may have moved it accidentally. We'll find it. There it is. Okay, so we can put those somewhere. Alrighty, let's start filling this in on this first one. So here we have this here. I really like this. I like that background, but I do think that it would be really cute with something on there. And let me look at these as well. Stickers, just to see. I like these tabs a lot. And I like this, but I don't think it would show up really, really well. So, and that wouldn't show up too well, but this little birdie would be really cute somewhere. I see this little balloon, hot air balloon, and I don't usually use my hot air balloons, so I think we're going to do that. And I think I'll put it up here because it's high in the sky. And I think this little birdie is right there as well. There we go. This would be a good place for a journaling card. And I'm wondering if this one would be okay, or is it too much? If you're just now tuning in, this is a 1-inch wide strip, and I scored it in the middle. This is a nice, you probably can't see the lines on this, but it's a nice journal card. I'm going to have to start leaving bookmarks in here so I can find my place. So this will go here. And I love that it's got the same plaid border on it that's on the hot air balloon. So I think that really helps to bring it together. And I'm wondering about something on there. Here we go. These would be really cute. I want something dark and bold. And this is a little heart of flowers. I'm going to put that right down there. Now that, so we've got a flip here, and that's a flip. Now I also think while I have this here, I will put the swack right there. Oh, very cute. Okay, now Happy Kiss Day. That's adorable. Let's come over here and maybe put that at the top of this one. This page doesn't have anything going on there. I heart you. I like that. So I was over here, and I've got some nice gold foil. I don't want to mess with that, and I love this edging here. This is one of my favorite pages. It's 2 pages here, and it's this acetate window with this behind it. And you can actually, because this paper is so translucent, you can see the writing behind it. And I think I might put this here. There we go. Nice little flip there. And I think this time I might add some washi on that. There's some there too. It helps to bring some continuity. And the other thing I like to do is, you know, the little scraps I have from cutting some of my cards down in place, down to size. I could just take these and make little tabs that come off the side. Oops, you know, I just stapled that through the wrong thing here. I put 2 pages together. So that's what the little scraps can be used for. So I think another thing I'm going to do is come over here and use this border here. And I think, you know, with this music here, I might add a pretty little sticker there, like down in the bottom. And the other thing I want to do is add, I have this pocket here. I like it a lot, and I'm thinking it needs something on there. Just add some interest there. And there's a lot of tabs here, and I like them a lot. So I think what I want to do, they're different shapes. So I'm going to take 2 that have the same shape. And I'm just going to come in here and grab a random sheet. Not that one. Like this. And I'm going to put a tab on it, sticking out. And match it on the other side. There. And do that again with one of the others that are the same shape. Okay, now I'm going to go through here and look at that right there. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? I just really, really like this paper collection. Okay, let's see if I can use up even more of these. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, can I use some of these as paper clips? So I think maybe this one would be really great. Maybe the Follow Your Heart one. Could do tickets. That would be okay to do too. Oh, I like these little cute little hearts here. They're adorable. Actually, I'm going to wait because I like this one right here. It's funny, smitten next to that. Okay, and I love this here. Probably should have put something white on the other side, but that is okay. As anything, this is really busy. Might be a good place for something like this journaling spot. Kiss me. Express postage. Love is in the air. How about something on the doily? Oh, you know what? I forgot the little dotted on the smitten here. Shoot. Very cute. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these for the paper clips. Those are adorable. Okay. Now, I have this other journaling spot too. I really like this page. I'll do, I'm going to make a flip of this, but I want to add some lace or something hanging from the bottom of it. So let me see what I have. Oh, yeah, that's right. I love this stuff. So let me get some of this out. This is just such cute, cute stuff here. Very cute. Okay, now we need to do the cover. I think also I want to get a couple paper clips in there, but that'll have to wait until next time. Thank you so much for watching.